What's up, y'all? This Rosa back with another video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click on the bell to be notified when I drop a video. So, in this sink, you guys, we're gonna be making a strawberry milkshake. So, we just gonna need a few ingredients. You're gonna need, of course, you're gonna need a blender. You're gonna need some frozen strawberries, some vanilla ice cream. You're gonna need your measurements. You're gonna need a bag of ice. You're gonna need some sugar, and you will need some milk. So let's pour some stuff in here, you guys. So y'all gonna see me with the blender pouring everything in. I just got out the shower, so excuse my hair if y'all see my hair. I just want y'all to see me pour the ingredients in here. So you're gonna need 1 cup of milk, just the wet ingredients. So 1 cup of milk going in there. Got that together. Let me open my ice cream. I got vanilla ice cream, you guys. You'll need a cup of strawberries. I just break them up because, oh, that's sour. You'll need a cup. This is about a cup. I love strawberries. So, you need a cup of strawberries. Put that in there. And then, okay, got that out the way. You will need a cup of ice. That's a cup of ice. Put that in there, like that. Okay. I'll bring, and now we're gonna put 2 teaspoons of sugar. Use a spoon. That's 1. Got 2. And then you'll take your ice cream. I'm just gonna do a scoop. And then I'm gonna take another scoop. So 2 big scoops of ice cream. And then I'll bring y'all back when I got everything blended up. I'm gonna show you how this look. See? Then I'm gonna bring y'all right back when I blend it up. Be right back. Okay, you guys, this is it. The final product. I put a little sprinkle of sugar on top of my strawberries. If you got some whipped cream, you could just swirl that on there. So this is my strawberry milkshake, you guys. Look at that. Don't that look so good? If you don't want it that thick, you can always add more milk to it. So I'm going to enjoy my strawberry milkshake. I got it in a McDonald's cup. Yes, I do. But this is my strawberry milkshake. So, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all want some? Thank y'all for watching. Bye.